Spa massage treatments for the skin and body are important to keep the body going. Despite knowing how wonderful these spa massage therapies can be, we hardly put out a little bit of our time for them. Before it is too late, we need to take some time out from these busy schedules of ours to pamper ourselves with a variety of spa massage treatments that can add new life and enhance our youth and beauty. Spa massage treatments can do wonders in enhancing beauty both from the inside and outside. They help in rejuvenating our skin and body. It also relaxes our minds and soul in a soothing environment. These therapies also help in increasing beauty and help in maintaining our natural look, making us look gorgeous over a longer period of time. These spa massage therapies use different kinds of oils, herbs, and natural ingredients, like water, clay, minerals, stones, which play a remarkable role in enhancing our beauty as well as have a huge impact on our skin and body. Some of the benefits of therapies on beauty are smoother complexion and refined pores. Due to the dust and pollution, dirt and bacteria tend to settle and accumulate on our skin, causing breakouts, blackheads, and whiteheads. During a facial spa massage, the therapist carefully extracts the blackheads, whiteheads, and accumulated dirt and oil out of the skin, which gives the skin a more refined and smoother texture. Renewed skin. A portion of the facial spa consists of exfoliating our skin's outermost layers. This helps in shedding away dead skin cells, removing bacteria, dirt out of our skin, and unclogging the pores away. A fresher you. Due to exfoliation and extraction, our face will bring out a new, fresh layer of skin to the surface, paving a path for any beauty creams, serums, moisturizers, and anti-aging creams to easily absorb into our skin, allowing maximum hydration to the skin. Hence, boosting collagen production, increasing the plumpness of the skin. As a bonus, the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines is reduced with even-toned skin. No matter your age or gender, your body's largest organ is your skin. If you want your skin to look the best and to stay healthy, you must take care of it. Healthy-looking skin begins with skincare. Spa massage therapy is an essential ingredient of your overall skincare. To get more beauty tips videos like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Check out the first link in the description and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think.